Is Monopoly Go crashing on your device, leaving you frustrated and unable to enjoy your favorite game? You're not alone. Many users face issues with Monopoly Go quitting unexpectedly. Don't worry. In this guide, we'll walk you through how to fix Monopoly Go crashing and ensure a smooth gaming experience. Step 1. Check for update. One of the first things to check when Monopoly Go is crashing is whether there are any updates available. Game developers frequently release patches and updates that fix bugs and improve stability. For iOS, open the App Store and tap on your profile icon at the top. Scroll down to see if Monopoly Go has an update available. For Android, open the Google Play Store, tap the menu, then My Apps and Games to check for updates. Keeping your game up to date can resolve many crashing issues. Step 2. Reboot your device. Sometimes a simple reboot can work wonders for resolving crashing issues. Restarting your device can clear temporary files, free up system resources. Hold down the power button on your device until the restart option. Select Restart and wait for your phone to reboot. Launch Monopoly Go to see if the issue persists. Step 3. Clear cache and data. If Monopoly Go continues to crash, clearing the game's cache and data might help. This step is mainly applicable to Android devices since iOS handles cache. For Android, go to Settings, Apps, Monopoly Go. Tap on Storage and then select Clear Cache and Clear Data. Be aware that clearing data will reset the game, so ensure your game progress is saved to your account. For iOS, although there is no direct option to clear cache, uninstalling and reinstalling the app can help. Step 4. Check device compatibility. Make sure your device meets the minimum requirements to run Monopoly Go. As games update, they sometimes increase requirements. For iOS, check if your iOS version is at least iOS 11 or higher. For Android, ensure your device runs Android 5.0, Lollipop, or later. Outdated devices or operating systems might be the cause of the crashing. Possible, consider updating your operating system. Step 5. Free up space. Insufficient storage can lead to random app crashes. Check your available storage to ensure that you have at least a few hundred megabytes of free space for optimal game performance. For iOS, go to Settings, General, iPhone Storage. For Android, go to Settings, Storage. Delete unnecessary files or apps to free up space, allowing Monopoly Go to run smooth. Step 6. Reinstall the game. If all else fails, uninstalling and reinstalling Monopoly Go can resolve persistent issues. Delete the app from your device. For iOS, search for Monopoly Go in the App Store and reinstall. For Android, find Monopoly Go on the Google Play Store and reinstall. Make sure your game progress is saved through your account to avoid losing data. Now that you're equipped with the knowledge of how to fix Monopoly Go crashing, you can get back to enjoying your game without frustration. Whether it's checking for updates, freeing up space, or reinstalling the application, there's a solution to every situation. Remember to try each step carefully, and you should see a noticeable improvement in the performance of Monopoly Go. Have fun building your empire and rolling those dice. If you continue to experience issues, reach out to the game support for more detailed assistance. Happy gaming!